Yes, we do large scale retaining walls. We do, mid-size. A lot of the retaining walls we do are engineered. We like using the larger block too. We feel like we get a little bit more ease of our guys installing them. We have a large excavator that puts those in there. Yes, we do tons of retaining walls. Most large scale, we don't really do anything small, like little garden walls or stuff in people's yards, unless it's part of the project in whole. But our process is usually we'll come out, we've got a LiDAR scanner, especially if we have a larger retaining wall that we'll need to look at. We have a LiDAR scanner that scans and measures the grade and elevations off of photogrammetry. And then we use a product called Pix4D, and it measures elevations and slope and all that fun stuff. And so if we're either cutting into a hillside or we're, building up a wall and making, bringing in, backfill to make it level, we can create a plane surface based off of that scan. And we can come up with basically how much fill we need, how tall the wall is going to be, and we can actually follow and mimic based off of that scan how the grades are in the backyard actually. So when we give you the proposal for the retaining wall, it's accurate. We're not going to have to go back to you and be like, oh, well, we, said it was going to be 1,000 square feet, and now it's 250 square feet more. We're gonna have to do a change order. So, and there's all different blocks. You can use natural stone. We like using that. It just depends on what overall design look you're going for. We've got another product that we like using. It's more of a manufactured block that looks like limestone, and they've done a nice job making it look like limestone. So it's another great alternative. But usually I like doing the larger scaled walls because our machine does all the work.